Reverse bass drop.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and also welcome back to Mania. Here we are back in our trusty, should we call it trusty? Yeah, our trusty game where we know what's gonna happen, right? It's always nice to be back. Always nice to be back in the game, especially if you haven't played it in a while. Obviously it gets old in like if you play it for too long. Eventually you're like, okay, that's enough fireworks for today. So then you're like in a week you're done. So here we are, and we have 2 packs today. I hope you guys enjoyed the intro. It was a busy one, I would say, right? Very noisy. I think that's a good word. Noisy is a good word. But yeah, it was really fun to make. I was waiting for on these cool track suits. Yeah, I was waiting for those to arrive in the mail, and I got them. So I instantly just went and put them on and just made the intro. So I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a good one. I'm proud of that one. It's fun. The inspiration actually came from this pack. I wanted to kind of like this one. You can see the glasses and like the cool hair and everything. Yeah, so I really wanted to give it that kind of a vibe. But what we got today is we got some NorthFireworks. It's been a while that he made some fireworks, and there's a lot of mods that came out. So holy damn, yeah, there's a lot of mods that came out. So there's a lot of stuff that's on the list for making intros and everything. But we have 2 packs. I already mentioned it. We have 2 packs. We have North, the Cake Pack 1. So this is North Cake Pack. So that's on the left. That's the Cake Pack. Then we got North Compound Pack number 1. And that's this. And as you can see, there are some interesting textures. Looks like the boxes are missing. And that's intentional. It's not a glitch, you know, there's nothing wrong. It's literally just tubes. And the factory was like, you know what, we're lazy, so we're just gonna do it like this. Bam! Just like tubes glued together, that's it. That's basically how the cakes actually look like without the packaging. So I'm really intrigued, especially this one. Interests me a lot. What is that gonna do? Yeah, these are compounds, so these are big boxes. So this is going to be for last. So let's go and make it darker. Let's turn on the flashlight so you guys can actually see something. There we go. And there's obviously street lights as well. So that's really nice. So as you can see, I'm so happy that North has labeled everything. So I know what's cake and what's compound, as you can see. So we got cake packs and we got some compound packs. So we know where to begin. So let's start with the first one. This is the 1850-ish. I like that. He's like, sure, you know, it's good enough. I like that. It doesn't always have to be super duper perfect. 80 millimeters, 50-ish. The Iskra Sragrok or something. I don't know what it is. But let's turn off the HUD and the flashlight as well. Oh! Nice. Okay. Gotta say that is a very unsafe cake, right? It's probably really light. That is sick though. Really good flash as well. Oh, and the white strobe in there. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Oh, I love that. The invisible break and then the crackles. The sound is incredibly good. That's really good. And the crackle till, crackle and breaks. Wow. Good start. Gotta say, good start. Good job there, North. Good job. We got a 20 millimeters, 10-ish. That's probably seconds or something. Or is it seriously gonna take 1 second? We're gonna see what's gonna happen. I really like that he's like, you know, but why would I? Is it real? Is this really made in real life? Or is it just laziness? I wonder. Whoa! Oh, damn. Oh, damn, that's a good sound. I didn't even check if everything worked because I haven't used OBS for a while. Good job. Very Urine Gaming. Wow. Okay, let's do that one more time. Let's go a little closer. That was 6. So that's indeed 1 second. Oh, that's such a good sound. And then the whistle. Oh, that is good. Oh, that is good. Oh, wow. Alright, next one is the 20 millimeters, 16-ish. I don't know what he means by that. Well, okay, whatever. Argento Frostband. So this is obviously a cake that exists. Also, if you're watching this, North, like, all the cakes are spawning to the side, so like the labels are looking to the right. I'll probably change that. Really cool though. Oh, the flash was on. Oh, turn on off. Really, really, really cool. Oh, such a unique sound for crackle as well. Oh, I thought it was already gone. Yeah, so what I mean here, if you're watching this video, if you place the cakes, all the cakes are spawning like this, so the label goes to the right. Yeah, that's always a mistake some people sometimes make. It can happen, but you need to turn the cakes like that, and then so they spawn with the label towards you. But you can always change that. I believe you can change that in the fireworks making program or whatever it is. Alright, next one is this one. Yeah, you can see I need to turn this all the way around this time because I already turned it. So, but this one also spawns. Okay, I like this label though. A lot of gold. The game sometimes is a little laggy. That's my PC. PC is doing some weird stuff sometimes. It really needs an update probably. But here we go. Still runs fine, so. Love the brake sound though. Look at that green strobe as well though. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's good. And then the red and the blue in there. Beautiful tails going up. Oh, beautiful purple color as well at the end. Really nice one though. This was actually the, what was this? This is the NorthFireworks 20mm 16-ish. Okay, I still don't know what that means, but okay. This was the Iskra Strobeck. So this is also Iskra, but this is without labels. Could it be that he just like made cakes for the effects and then like there were no labels? Is that maybe a thing? That he doesn't have the labels or something, or he couldn't get the labels and he was like, I want to make it. That could be. 20 millimeters. The Purple Rain. Purple Rain. 25. 25. Let's turn it off. I'm pressing the wrong buttons. Oh, yep, that is purple. Wow, that's bright. Oh, that's bright. Oh, like that. It's changing space. Yeah, it's changing pace. Yeah, look at the purple. Wow, what a beautiful color as well. That is beautiful. Wow. And crackle and purple, of course. So like, you could make a guess, like a guessing game or something for it. So like, if you see the effects, you're gonna like guess what it is because there's no label on it. That could work, you know. Because with the crackles at the end, maybe funga. Who knows? Right? Funka likes their crackle. 20 millimeters, 15-inch gold blitz. There we go. Here we are. Oh, nice full packed brakes there. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that was a nice sound. Nice, nice salute. Wow, it looks so good. Oh. It's a nice break in between. That's sick. Wow, and the end with salutes. What a nice, like, good packed salute. Sometimes, like, it really misses that like, you're feeling that oomph, that explosion, that heavy, because it's a salute. So there's way more gunpowder in there, mostly. So, like, yeah. It's, yeah, this one also spawns weirdly, as you can see. This spawns to the side, as you can see north, if you're watching this. You can see, yet again, this one goes to the left, for some reason. Yeah. It's not, of course, not the end of the world, but, like, a lot of people find that important. Okay, here we go. Does actually the cap go off as well? Oh, it does, yeah, sick. Okay. Heavy, heavy. Beautiful, like, very bright pink color. Really nice as well. Not bad. Look at that. Change in space. No, pace. Oh, that was good. Again. Good job there, North. Good job with the salutes. This was the 25 millimeters. Yeah, you could definitely hear that. And it's 33-ish. I think it's had like seconds. It's the Iskra Zeppelin. Alright. Next one. We got the next one. This is the one that I basically inspired my intro on. This is the 25-ish, 36, 25 millimeters, I mean. 36-ish Albert Pretty in pink. It's gonna be a lot of pink. Is that what it is? There we go. Such a nice break sound as well. I love the late break. You know, if you know what I mean. Like it takes a while for it to pop. Oh, here we are. Fan shape. Wow. What a bright green color on that side. Oh, that's sick. What a nice color combo. Wow, look at that. Oh, what a beautiful combination of colors. Pink. Whoa, there's a lot of crackles. Oh my god. Damn. Look at that. That's all from the crackles. Jeez. I don't know if you guys even saw that, but this is the only cake that actually spawns correct, as you can see. This one corrects with the label towards us, so yeah, that's how it needs to be with all the packs. So sometimes, like, it's weird how the game or how the editing program configures how it like spawns or something. I don't know. I'm just gonna stop talking because I'm not even know how that works. Okay, we got the okay. Let's just shoot it first. Oh, big breaks and sort of multicolor. Really nice combo again. Green, purple, and then after that, a silent gold crackle. Beautiful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, as you can see, there is sort of like a cap on it with like fuses. Those are gone. This is definitely one of the most dangerous one because that one's gonna fall. Oh, this thing is gonna tip over for sure. This is the 25mm 7-ish kleiner wheat. Okay. Not even gonna try, but it's kleiner, so small, I guess, right? I don't know. We got the 30mm 13-ish dragon cracker. There we go. Flashlight, run. Okay, that's a lot of lines. Yet again, look at those combo colors. Wow. Purple, blue, and a very bright kind of ochre yellow. Kind of off yellow. Sick. Oh, the crackle's so good. This is going to be a disaster putting them all in one pack. Like, putting them all in one go. You know, we're obviously gonna do everything at once. This is the 30mm 16-inch Dooner. Okay, this is 1 second, so this could be one of those that are going off or what? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's good. Oh, damn, that's good. Oh, that's gonna be nice. First, like a show, for sure. At the end, I mean. At the end, we're gonna do it at the end. 30mm 20-ish Funkenweiden mix. Okay. Well, here we go. One of those empty only tube. Ooh, nice break. Look at that. Look at the sparks. Look at that. Oh, such a nice red color as well. Yeah, North, you're really using like very interesting color schemes. Looks really nice. Very nice breaks. Oh, look at that. Oh, the green strobe. Wow, that is beautiful. Look at that. There it goes. Dribbling down or something like that. Really nice. Oh, what a good one. What a good one. This is 25. This is 30. Yeah, you can definitely hear that. 30mm. Huh. Awesome. Alright, next one is the Neon Gold. I really like the color name. 30mm, 25-ish. Turn off. Like that. Yeah, run, 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 run. There we are. Oh, the color combo again. Such an interesting color scheme he uses. Super bright colors. Very interesting launch sound as well. Oh, look at that. Oh, those are definitely neon colors. Huge crackers at the end. Wow. Wow, wow. Crazy, crazy. Yeah, that's insane. Wow. Next one is the 30mm 49-ish. The Nishiki Leiden. Okay. We're gonna see. We're gonna see, you know? We're gonna find out what it is. Wrong button. There we go. Again, that launch sound again. Very interesting launch sound. Look at that. It almost hits the ground as well. Okay, there's a small break in the sound there. Insane. It's like, look at that. That's such a bright color again. Doing this the whole time. It was like, oh, wow, damn. Look at that. It just touches the ground. Oh, well, some of these are definitely hitting the ground. Yeah. Damn. That was good. Yet again. Oof. So nice. Especially with the gold rain coming down. Alright. I've always wanted to say compound, but one more. We got the Iskra Mammoth. Okay. So it's a mammoth, I guess, or something. Yeah, it is a mammoth. Yeah, you can see. But he's very angry and very gold. And he has like a tiger hybrid. Whoa! What a weird sound. Oh, that one is gonna sound really nice in multiplayer if someone uses this cake. Probably from like far away. Love the echo as well. Damn. Crackle. Very bright color again. Very bright green. Salute. So good. Crackle. Oh man, that one's good. That's the second salute. So there's another salute and then the crackles after that. And then there's another salute after the crackle, and that is oof, 45mm. Jeez. Yeah, you could definitely hear that. Holy, what a very interesting sound again you used there, North. Very nice. Alright, we are going to start in the second pack that he made. This is the second pack. These are not in one pack, so just to make it clear. These are all, so from here on out, it's all another pack that he made. This is the compound set number 1. It's 18 millimeters, 100-ish. Iskra Scarb. Scarb. Pretty nice label. Here we go. This one is 100-ish, so it's a lot of tubes, and you can see the pace is quite slow, so it's a little longer. It's a compound, you know. So what you expect? Wow, look at the red color. Oh, it's so bright again. It's so like such a deep color. Yeah, that's more like the right word to use. Okay, still change the pace. Look at that red. And then, of course, it continues with the strobes. Wow. That red color is so good. White strobe. And yet again, the brake sound. Ooh, okay. That was a good ending. With salutes. Yeah, look at that. That looks really good. It's actually readable, because that's what he wants, you know? The American guy. Amnesty. Yeah, it's readable. Some of these labels are like not crisp. They don't have to be like 4K, but like it's readable. You know what I mean? You can actually kind of read the words. All right, next one is really cool. I like the artwork. It is the 20 millimeters 103-ish Iskra Aineo. Yeah, good enough. Let's continue. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Again, what a nice combo of colors. Well. Oh, what? Different heights? That's new. It's basically 2 cakes in one. Well, yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a lot of mines. Yeah, look at that. There's different heights. Oh, that's so cool. That's a cool feature. That is sick. Oh, wow. Look at that. It goes stairs like. Oh, nice. It was like stairs like. It was going up and then went down again and then it went up again. What? Okay, that's a new feature, Nord. Keep that in. Because if that is... Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, I see. It's a fan shade, but it was faced like our direction. Yeah, that's the word. It was facing our direction, so it looked like it was going down, but it was coming towards and then going for... Okay. I get it. But still, there was a cool effect. It really looked like it was going down and up and looked really weird. Yeah. Okay. Well, next one is we got a Funker this time. A 24 millimeters 144-ish Funkered Gold Bamba. Okay, here we go. The box looks very crooked. Probably because that's what the label is. Good. There we go. Ooh, nice brakes. Nice. Liking that. Yeah, look at like the poof of smoke. They're so big because the brakes are so heavy. What a nice color. Look at that. Oh, gold. What a good sound. It's so nice to listen to. Itchy. Look at all the effect. That's a lot of effects coming from one cake. And the sign a whistle like a subtle. Wow. Holy moly. Love these salutes. Oh, definitely one of my favorite salutes North makes because it's so nice and heavy. Ah, itchy. Itchy again. Probably like the pollen thing, you know. Pollen. Is it pollen? Yeah, that's like outside. Next one is the 25-30 millimeters, 30 and 131-ish, probably seconds. Star Trade Red Rim. And this is also that actually plays it like this because the fan shape is obviously better. Putting it the other way, not towards us. Here we go. Big one. Whoa, that is very bright. Oh man. Look at that, such a bright color red that goes up. What a cool cake. Green mines down there. Combo. Yes. Combo fan shaped, also the straight parts as well. Really nice. Look at that, dude. This is like a bright red strobe. Wow. Such a nice color red again, so bright. Wow. And then the echo is so good. The echo is so good. Wow. Love the echo. That really adds to the dimension, we're gonna call it, right? To the dimension of the heavy thumbs of those salutes. Awesome. Alright, we got a giant cake of Funke. A giant box. We got a 25-30 millimeters, 260-ish Funke My Banva. It probably means something. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Huh. Ooh, there we go. That starts very interesting. Ooh, it's way too far back. Like that, perfect. Huge. Huge particles everywhere. Or breaks, actually, is right. Damn, huge. Huge breaks. Interesting color, or color is always good, but like interesting sound of crackle. Oof. You're just getting memorized, or mesmerized, is the word, by those the break sounds. It's just... These are huge. The white strobe breaks. Especially doing a few at once. Damn! Whistle. Sick, what a nice place in between. What a nice red color again. With the Funke, needs to end with crackles, and they were huge. Oh, nice. Love that. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, it's even on the box, so he does like a copy of the stuff that's on the box as well. So it does actually take like around 206 years. Next one is the 25mm 100-ish Iskra W Zor. I'm just gonna call it, right? Good word for it. There we go. Oh, put that away. There we go. Oh, huge, big, yeah. Completely different pace again. More in the middle there. There we go. Nice salute there. Look at that color. You know, it's such a nice... Look at that, dude. Now we need those salutes. We need those salutes for firecrackers as well, because that is so good. Yeah, having those for firecrackers, because they're close to the ground, so they're gonna be so much heavier. Oh, this is good. That's definitely gonna work. Oh man, that's good. Oh, that's heavy. Beautiful. Next one is... We were here. I almost lost where we were left off. We are 25 millimeters, 144-ish. President's Killer. Okay, very interesting word. Very interesting choice of words. There we go. Oh no, wrong button. There we go. Oh. Okay. Yep. Oh, look at that green. Oh, that's such a cool green. Yeah, it's so bright again. Everything is just neon colors. It's just so good. Like in this neon direction color of north side. Perfect. Dude, fill packed with so many particles. Yeah. Whoa, look at that, what a nice color. Dude, it's so bright. Wow. Filled. Packed with stuff. Crackles. Slowly adding up the speed. Perfection. Wow, what an ending as well. Crackles. Crackles ending. Beautiful, perfect color combo as well. With the purple and the purple and the green. Really cool, really cool. Next one is the 30mm 100-ish Elgato Fiesta Dorado. What a name. What a name. Sounds like a movie name. Good movie name. This is 100-ish, so here we go. This is 30mm, so it's gonna be Pikey 1. Look at that. This is Q Cat on there. As a logo. Always good, you know? Always good in my book. Huge brakes. A way different pace as well. Different speed. Oh, there was a break in the sound there. Wow, dude, that's a lot of sparks. There we go, some color in there now. Whoa, speed goes up. Oh. Dude! Wow. To be honest, I was expecting a salute ending there, but it's nice to change it from now on. Some here and there, you know, just having a salute ending every time obviously gets repetitive for a lot of people. I like it. It's nice and heavy, and yet again a good sound for firecrackers. Just putting it out there, you know. Next one is the 30mm 360-ish Pyro Symphony. Here we go. Finally, this one. I really want to know what this one is gonna do. Taking a while. He's using the other brake sound or launch sound as well. Like that. Dude. Big brakes. The brake sound, they're always like, they're so heavy. Look at that, dude. With the faster particles like the blue. Like the change in speed with the blue particles and the sparks are different. It's just, it makes it so dynamic. Jeez. Oh my god. Hoo hoo hoo. That's insane. There's so many different. Yeah, there we go. It changes again. So many different. It feels like it's every cake that we just did, and then just back to in one, sort of. You know, so to speak. Dude, look at what a nice color. Look at that. What a combo. Wow, the combo color. Yeah, I love that blue, purple, blue, yellow. Perfect. Oh yeah. Dude. Looks like it's picking up. I knew this was definitely gonna be one of my favorites. Wow, this one is packed with effects. Dude, look at this. Wow, this is good. Dude, what an ending. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah. Straight, just my favorite right now. Dude, the combo of like, at the end when you get those sparks. And then sometimes just sneaking a salute in there. Oof. Oof, yeah. That is good. That is so good. That just, yet again, it just adds so much dynamic, so much depth in it. It's just, yeah, really good. It only has 3 likes, so it needs way more likes, because that is insane. That is insane. Yeah, it came out on April 4th, but yeah, just one thing. Oh, just everything overall amazing, of course. But one thing is that North, you need to spawn them like this, because they're all spawning to the side. Not major, you know, but just like, just a nice feature. We got the last one, the 38mm Hunterish Funke Trigger 1 F3. It is even called F3. The color was just, okay, that's just the name. Ooh, that's a lot of mines. Ooh, that is heavy. It seriously just like sounds like shells. Yet again, this sound for firecrackers. Yeah. So North, if you're gonna make firecrackers, then please use these sounds. Like, it's so incredibly heavy. It's so good. Dude, look at that color as well, multi. Wow, that is insane. Dude. Oh, it's so heavy. Mines. Oh, deep neon pink. Oh, multicolor again, but wow, so spread out. What a nice salute end again. What a sound. That salute sound, use it for firecracker or something like that. If you're planning to make firecrackers, holy damn, use it. You know, that was everything. I gotta say that the cake bakes are very subtle. Makes sense, they're just cakes, so they're way smaller in size, in millimeters as well. Well, they're 30, so they're basically as big as the cakes, but as the compounds, but so much more effects in the compounds. Yeah, it's crazy. But that's actually for the end review, right? So we're gonna do everything at once. It's gonna be insane. So I'm gonna place them all here. And I'm actually gonna run this way. So I see you guys back when I'm done. Okay. Yeah, I think this is good. I just put a few things together. Of course, these are going to be instant. And then we got a whole wall. We're just gonna call it a wall, right? Because they're so big. That's a lot of tubes. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that's more than enough time to run away. What a good start. Here we go. Here we are. Let's do it. Goosebumps. I had seriously, literally goosebumps. Wow, that was good. That is so incredibly well done. With the, of course, these were gonna take the longest, obviously. But just putting them all together, what a complete chaos! Unbelievably well done. 2 packs. We got the cake and the compound NorthFireworks. Wow, so well done. My top favorite, definitely the biggest cake. That is quickly. That is the 30th 360th Pyro Symphony. Definitely Symphony. You can say that. Yeah, you can definitely say that is a symphony. Wow, what's so many packed effects in one cake. So many big cakes, heavy big cakes, heavy breaks. Such a nice, like, especially the colors. The color scheme you used, literally everything is neon. Literally everything is neon. It's such a bright color. It's really nice, and you can really see it really well as well, like in the sky and everything. Yeah, it's crazy. Really well done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's gonna be a longer one because there are 2 packs, of course. So it's taking a little longer, but we got it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more Fireworks Mania and also other games as well, of course. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.